Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. My name is Hendrikus Dodo.
My name is Herdiata Chanti.
My name is Ikwan Arif Darmawan.
Okay, at this time, we will explain the reasons, responses, and problem solution of the second issue from Group 6, namely, KPK sends hundreds of million confiscated money on drug project corruption case in Papua to the state. Okay, let's move to the presentation.
First, the reason we choose text number 2 is because text number 2 discuss important issues related to the state, namely corruption. Corruption is not a trivial matter, especially corruption using state money. It cannot be left alone. Next. Corruption is not a trivial matter, especially corruption using state money. It cannot be left alone.
Or respond to the two issues from Group 6, namely the conversion indictor conversion KPK deposit either 669 million in the starter transfer. The money came from a temporary of project in Papua on Friday 29 January. The booty in the form of money was deposited into the starter trust with a total amount of either 669 million from the conversive David Manabui. Next. It is now David Manibui is a former commissioner of PT Mabes Jaya Mandiri (MJM), who was started to 7 years in prison and a fine of either 200 million subsidiary to 2 months in prison at the composite core level. Maybe he was sentenced to complete acts of conversion with the head of the Papua Public Works Option, Rike Pambuaya. Because of their action, it is telling that the jungle host course status of up to in the 30.9 million and is willing to indict translate and conversion. Next. Because this issue maybe these kids of companies could be complete because it can handle the company and make the company reputation. Because of this, we because this issue, because it probably people need to carry out activities and it can be seen from oxide composite that our kit tree is starting to develop. Next. From the posting money starting on November 20 left 2020 in comparison with the comparison of the DKI Jakarta hit conference. There was calendar edition on July 3, 2020. The February of the comparison of the Jakarta Diskusi Court and finally adding the District of Money of Maret 2020. In the end, the KPK carry out research tricky effish from the receipt property that has been enjoy be conversion KPK believes can have a temporary impact.
Okay, next, the solution of the cases that we discussed. One, prohibiting socialization with the aim of preventing corruption in the construction sector as well as encouraging the practice of good corporate government or GCG and regulation related to criminal acts of corruption, including the accountability of corporate crime. Good corporate government is a system of good corporate government consists of a number of interrelated things, including a system of rules that are applied in honest practice and solid business process, with good leadership and good organizational operational integration. A criminal act by a corporation is a criminal act committed by a person based on a work relationship or based on other relationship, either individually or collectively, acting for and on behalf of the corporation inside or outside the corporation environmental. Next, number two, foster integrity in all components involved in a construction project. Integrity is an act consistent with the value and policies of the organization as well as the professional code of ethics, and even in difficult circumstances and simple terms, integrity shows the constancy of attitude, the unification of one's action and moral value. People who have integrity will not be deterred by a temptation to betray accept moral value. How to foster integrity in each component of a construction project can be done in various ways, such as always keeping promises, always doing honesty, focusing on what is being done, and association with positive people. Number three, maintaining healthy job or business competition. By maintaining healthy business or job competition, it will reduce the desire to exit one another because it will cause someone to do anything to get what he wants, leading to a corruption case such as the David Manipui cases. Healthy work or business competition such as competition providing satisfactory result for consumer by upholding honesty and competing to provide good service for consumer or for the workplace. Number four, refusing bribery and gratuities or gift. Refusing bribery is a very important action because bribery is the first act of corruption. Like the issue we are discussing, the cops made by this actor we are the form of 669 million rupiah, which would harm to project owner and hinder its progress. Gratuities can be in the form of gift given by the preparator to consumer or other parties to achieve their goals. For example, party A restituti to party B, so that party A gets this project tender. Number 5, next. Change the culture, no matter how small. Changing the culture of corruption. Okay. Number 5, change the culture of corruption no matter how small. Change the culture of corruption can only be carried out over a long-term period of time. Change of change the culture of corruption can be done by starting from small things, such as no corruption time, working according to the task, and always being honest in all things. Number 6, the government provides heavy protection. Heavy penalties will deter perpetrators who have committed corruption and give fear to those who will commit corruption, so that the authorities will be a good consideration to prevent corruption, such as the case we are discussing. Like the case we are discussing, the authority person obtaining 200 million rupiah and imprison for 7 years. In our opinion, the fines given must be equivalent to the value he has corrupted in order to create a true deterrent to the perpetrator. Next. Okay, we think enough. Our presentation is over. From us, if there are mistakes on words and pronunciation, we apologize.